Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Sublime Text on Linux Mint operating system. First verify we have Sublime comes as default application. See Sublime not comes as default application for the Linux Mint. Okay, so open any web browser, then go to Sublime Text official website, that is sublimetext.com. Click on download, then we have to click on Linux repos. Now see here we have the commands to execute by using apt. So click on apt. See, these are the commands for the Ubuntu or Debian. See, we have 4 steps. One is GPG key installation, then select the channel, then updating the apt sources, then installing the Sublime Text. So copy the first one, that is it is going to install GPG key. Open terminal, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now see here we have 2 versions, stable and development. So I am going to install this one. So copy it, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages. Sudo apt get update. Updation is completed. Now install the Sublime Text. Sudo apt get install Sublime -text. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Sublime Text. This is the build number. Okay, so now go to menu, then search for Sublime. See here we have the Sublime Text Editor. Click on it. See, we have the Sublime Text Editor. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Sublime Text Editor on Linux Mint operating systems. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.